In the complex art of winning a woman's heart, authenticity, patience, and attention are key. We will explore below 10 fundamental tips that can pave the way to her heart, building a lasting and meaningful connection. 1. Be authentic from the beginning. The foundation of any strong relationship is authenticity. Don't try to be someone you're not to impress her. Show your true essence and let the connection unfold genuinely. 2. Listen carefully. Effective communication begins with active listening. Pay attention to her words, emotions, and desires. Ask meaningful questions that demonstrate your genuine interest in what she has to say. 3. Share your passions. Connections are strengthened when you share your passions. Invite her to be part of your interests and engage in hers. Together, you'll discover new experiences and build shared memories. 4. Thoughtful gestures. Small gestures can have a big impact. From morning messages to remembering important details, these gestures show your attention and appreciation for her presence in your life. 5. Respect her opinions. Mutual respect is essential. Appreciate her opinions, even if they differ from yours. Acceptance and respect form the foundation for building a strong connection. 6. Develop a deep friendship. Before moving into romantic territory, build a strong friendship. Sharing laughter, experiences, and confidences will strengthen the foundation of your relationship. 7. Surprise her creatively. Unexpected surprises keep the relationship exciting. Think creatively to surprise her and make her feel special. Originality and thoughtful consideration are key. 8. Support her goals and dreams. Show interest in her aspirations and goals. Offer your genuine support so she feels you're there to back her up every step of the way. 9. Develop your sense of humor. A sense of humor is a powerful tool. Find moments to make her laugh, as laughter connects and lightens the atmosphere of the relationship. 10. Be patient and respectful. Love is not rushed. Be patient as the relationship develops and respect her time and space. Patience and respect are crucial for building a lasting connection. Conclusion. Winning a woman's heart requires a combination of sincerity, attention, and time. By following these tips, you'll not only be building a strong relationship, but also creating a path that allows you to explore the true meaning of love together. Remember, each connection is unique, and authenticity is the key to lasting love. Good luck on your romantic journey. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Greetings!